This video comprises of 3 different notifications. Firstly, Oil India recruitment for different vacancies. So the eligibility criteria, the grade pay is around 37,500 to 1,45,000. Eligibility criteria for different post course or diploma in chemical engineering and civil engineering. For chemical 8 vacancies, for diploma in civil engineering at 12 vacancies, and computer engineering 5 vacancies, and electrical engineering is 21 vacancies, and electronics and telecommunication 3 vacancies, diploma in instrumentation 32 vacancies, and mechanical engineering diploma 65 vacancies. So these are different disciplines who are eligible to apply. They should have a diploma degree. The maximum age criteria is 30 years for general category, and 35 years for SC ST, and 33 years for OBC, and minimum age criteria is 18 years, and selection methodology will be based on computer based test. That will be the criteria for computer examination will be 20% for English language, general awareness, and questions on Oil India. 20% on numerical reasoning and mental ability, 60% based on the relevant field, that is your relevant diploma field of engineering. So this is the weightage of examination, and there is no negative marking, and the total duration of computer based test is 2 hours. So in order to apply for this, the link will be given in the description. Please do check the link so that you will be directed to that website of official website oilindia.com. So the cutoff date for age criteria is 9/12/2021. The last date to apply for this is 9th of December 2021. The starting date is from 10th of November 2021. So this is regarding the Oil India vacancy recruitment for different diploma. Next vacancies are BHEL recruitment for young professional, 10 young professional. So the job requirement of young professional is to assist corporate strategy management group in supporting the business incubation efforts by providing inputs regarding the necessary study or research in new technological areas, latest development. So in different fields, this is the following areas where you need to assist the corporate strategy management group: hydrogen economic, additive manufacturing, upstream solar value chain, energy storage, coal to methanol, carbon capture. So the young professionals will assist in scanning business, benchmarking, monitor and provide inputs and any task assigned to them. The age criteria is 30 years, maximum age criteria is 30 years. The qualification is you need to have a postgraduate degree or diploma in management. Engineering graduates from reputed institutes will be given preference. The criteria is that you need to have a CGPA around 7 CGPA or 70%, and experience of 2 years work experience, which can be either prior or post attaining the PG degree. So selection procedure will be based on a scrutinized committee and the shortlist of the candidates. So the young professionals will be paid around rupees 80,000 per month. So this is regarding the PG degree and young professionals intake by BHEL. Those who have experience and they can apply for this. The next thing is that National Institute of Technology Jalandhar, Dr. BR National Institute of Technology Jalandhar, recruitment for junior research fellowship or senior research fellowship. So in the field of intelligent network analyzer compatcher for advanced security hardening of organizational network. So the number of vacancies are 2 vacancies, and the qualification for JRF is either MTech or a bachelor degree with valid GATE score in electronics and electronics engineering, or computer science engineering with specialization in data structures and algorithms or embedded systems, with minimum 60% of marks or equivalent in master's degree, or for SRF pursuing educational qualifications with JRF and 2 years. So the consolidated stipend for JRF is 31,000 plus HRF. For SRF is 35,000 plus HRA. Initially the period will be for 1 year, which may be extendable till the end of the project. So you need to apply from Google Doc, which will be given. There is no fees to apply, and no TADA will be provided for attending interview. The shortlisted candidates will be informed through email by 25th of December 2021. So the last date is 20 of December 2021. So the venue of interview will be you need to go physically attend the NIT Jalandhar. So this is regarding the junior research fellowship. The eligibility criteria is bachelor degree in engineering in electronics and communication, electronics engineering or computer science with valid score, or MTech with good percentage in electronics and communication. So these are the 3 job updates. The links will be given in the description.